Hello guys, good morning. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Any trade so far? I didn't take anything. So my plan is to get London low, we already got this, a London high, maybe above London high, like London high, then New York midnight open. So basically, I don't see longs here, unfortunately, to enter, but I would like to see boom, boom, not like this. Never mind, not like this. This. So, what do you think? It's going to be a potential trade I'm gonna take. It's okay. Better. So basically, I would like to see break above below consolidation. So I would like to see this fake manipulation, a deal manipulation, potential sweep, short down to New York midnight open. That's my plan. Let's see if it's going to play out, but I'm gonna look for short to New York midnight open, or at least back to 48.05, 48.10 after taking London high. How many points? If it's going to offer, will be how many points? Like 16, risking 16. Oh, it's 1-to-1, not worth it. Gold plan, yeah, good plan, yeah. Let's see. I wouldn't mind too long, but I don't feel like it's really worth it. 1-to-1. I mean, not really. Something like this. Silver. Let me delete all levels. How are you today, guys? I forgot to ask. How was your morning? Deleting alt levels. Let's highlight something on my chart. It's alt one. Oops. Silver inside previous day range. Nothing changed. Maybe we'll trade silver, guys. Maybe. Maybe. Yesterday was kind of crazy day, to be honest. So I'm happy with just one trade on gold. Not like I didn't see a lot, to be honest, yesterday. So I don't feel like I missed something. Inside day, well, it's okay, 15-minute chart. Picture's so strange. 1 second. It's silver, just trying to analyze what I would like to see. Probably my plan on silver definitely can be wrong. Is to offer SMT between gold and a silver at highs. This means I don't want to see silver takes out buy side, short down to near liquidity level. So basically we have 15 on untapped fair value gap. I guess it's my plan. Oh, not 15. Not 15, obviously. 15. Oh, not already. Come on, Dasha. Can you start talking like normal person, please? And plan on gold, I already mentioned this. Now, hope to get this. I'm not sure how big move up is going to be by London high. I don't want to see big one, to be honest. Like between 48, 40, 50 area will be enough. Then I will try to short. Just would like to, ideally would like to get SMT between silver and gold at these highs. Maybe something like this, you know, the test of 15-minute order block. It's quite big OB, but it's perfectly fine. Let's talk about indices. Honestly, it's really hard to talk about indices. Yesterday we got a perfect shift, bullish shift, which means previous monthly low can be delayed. So maybe I don't really want to see this anymore for now. Looking at current daily chart, forward chart, we got bullish shifted structure, you know? So I'm not quite sure about exact move on indices today, really hard to say. But we have a 60% chance to retrace to New York midnight open on ES. We might just scalp short at the open to New York midnight open. What do you think? I guess it's plan. Let me log this. So my plan is to look for short down to New York midnight open, but preferably after market open. So we still can go higher. I don't really care. But if market is going to open, I'm just going. If it's going to be textbook short, I will try to short, and I will not care about bias. I'm not sure about bias, guys, for today. I was trying to figure this out, jumping between time frames. I'm not quite sure. Maybe I'm missing something, but I will scalp to New York midnight open, especially if we have 60% chance. Why not? Maybe not right now, but after market open? Well, it's really hard to talk about daily bias now. Once again, I was trying to figure out what kind of bias I have on daily forward chart. On forward chart, we got bullish shift in structure. But feels like it left unfinished business lower on ES, while on NQ, completely different situation. We still trade inside previous monthly range, nothing changed, and it's just consolidation. We're jumping between premium, discount, discount, premium, so I don't know, nothing is going on. How to trade consolidation? We want to look for liquidity level on the lowest quadrant of this consolidation and highest quadrant. So basically, yes, we run lowest quadrant liquidity level. So what we would like to see on NQ, previous weekly high at this point. Highest quadrant, upper half of consolidation. On NQ on daily, which is near liquidity level, is going to be previous weekly high. It's really hard, once again. It's not in sync with ES. Bias is completely different, I would say, because I cannot say like I'm extremely bullish on NQ to take all-time high now, because it's not true. I don't really have bias, it's just consolidation. See? Nothing else. That's pretty much it. While on ES, we really have good structure for retracement, and retracement for me, in my humble opinion, was to this level over here. But yeah. On gold, plan is this one. I will not long, but I would like to see London highs, and I will try to short to London low again. Any chance you could add a feature to save P&L in the consistency calculator? That's a great idea. Let me take a screenshot of this. Yes, I think I can. So guys, what is your bias? What you would like to see? So once again, I didn't really mind too long to London high, but I don't really fan of risk reward here. Okay, let me turn on Ninja because I didn't even connect. I didn't even log into Ninja yet. Okay, 1 second. And here we go. Okay, I'm going to trade Tradify today. Select accounts. Select accounts. Let's wait for setup. Don't want to long once again. Not fan of this. I don't like risk reward. It's just a bit less than 1 hour trade. Kind of, I cannot say this high probability, just logical move. What can happen? We still can go like this, and then drop again. So I wouldn't say like right now it's perfect structure. I just anticipate logical move up to London high, maybe slightly higher, then potential short. I'm just going to wait. Yeah, that's smart. Yes, I will fix this. Thank you for letting me know. Below silver. Yeah, it's my plan. I would like to see move higher on gold to take London high, SMT with silver at highs. I don't want to see silver takes out buy side. Ideally. Then short down to 15 untapped fair value gap. Exactly, that's my plan. Let's talk about SPX. So what happened on SPX? Remember during AM session we were waiting for a move down to OT of RTH gap then long. It just went up without us. I was like, So you can get 40% off on TradingView on gross or select evaluation accounts, any size you like. 40% off or 30% off on Lightning funded. I'm going to trade TradingView select accounts today. Because guys, I'm like $700 away from passing these accounts. I need to trade, otherwise I'm going to close this. $700 away to pass. Let's pass. At least let's try to finish these accounts because select evaluations have consistency rule. You need to keep this in mind. So once again, we got moved from OT of yesterday RTH gap to OT of Tuesday RTH gap. See this? And price it chased down. So probably going to open somewhere here above 5k away. It's fine. I guess I have 2 flex 150k evaluation accounts, so I'm up like 4k there. Like I'm 5k away as well. I don't have more power on TradingView. I mean, no. If you're going to ask, if I'm going to ask, it's not going to change anything, I guess. You're trading mini contracts? Oh. Well. No, I don't blow, but no. I started my 150k flex vals on Lucid once they release this, but I didn't trade them a lot. I passed some, but some still like just 4k in profit. Same with TradingView. I got select evaluation accounts, some 50ks. I got 50ks gross and select, I guess last week or 2 weeks ago. Don't remember. And some I almost passed, which is 150k. Yeah, once, guys, I will share if I blow account. So if I blow account, I will share with this. So yeah. Guys, hit the like. Almost 500 people watching and only 80 likes. Come on. So yeah, guys, I got Lucid accounts, which you can get 40% off now. Why I got Lucid? Because it's one-time fee, so I don't need to pay for second month, and I can trade micro silver, so I don't need to trade mini contracts, because mini contracts, it's quite expensive to trade mini contracts, and it's a bit hurt accounts. So yeah, I got Lucid 150k flex accounts, and I guess I have 150k flex, but I'm trying to pass 150k. So once you pass, you don't need to build the buffer for payout. That's pretty much why I like them. But today, I will trade TradingView Select, because $700 from passing this. On Lucid Flex, I can actually trade Lucid Flex as well, but I need to make around like 5k there to pass. I just take this slow. I'm in full funded with TradingView and Lucid. I'm not have like goal to pass this quickly, but yeah. pass and just have them as reserve, perfect. Lucid? Yeah, let's trade Lucid as well. Yes, today for giveaway, I'm going to do Lucid. Flex. No, not Flex. Not Flex. I'm going to try to do Lucid Black. New plan to try. Maybe you will like it. I will do Lucid Black plan for giveaway. It's brand new plan, but I will do some. You can try. Let me know if you're going to like this once you pass. For tomorrow, I will stream on Ninja Trader Live at 10 a.m. If you want to watch me tomorrow, join at Ninja Trader Live on their YouTube. I'm going to be there at 10 a.m. You need, yes. You need to build a buffer on, if you're talking about select evals. So I prefer TradingView and Lucid. It's really hard to compare, guys. It's really hard to compare because I treat them, I guess, same way. But I like TradingView more because they a bit longer on market compared to Lucid. Like, they have more trust, just for now. But once again, I'm in love with TradingView, and I'm going to recommend TradingView to every single futures trader who's looking for prop firm, because TradingView is really perfect prop firm, and I guess it's one of the best prop firm available on futures market right now, in my humble opinion. Finding 6 gun. Yeah, they closed my accounts, and I was like, oh, well, perfect. Bye, guys. $50K, $3K. Build $3K buffer and you will be good. So technically, you need to pass account again. No, yesterday I made $550 on 20 Epics accounts. So each account. No, I tried Epics yesterday. My bias on I didn't really have bias, to be honest, but I guess I will look for short to New York Midnight Open and I will stop there. They should leave the restrictions they have on my country. It's not because it's like they don't like your country, it's because of government, so they cannot do anything. So guys, let's see, 30 minutes left until market open. Share your ideas with me, what you anticipate to get, what you like more, what you don't like now. Maybe you're watching different markets and I'm going to watch this with you today. Maybe I can trade, I don't know, like Euro futures, Japanese yen. With Flex, you have minimum profitable days. 1 second, I'm going to make sure my brain doesn't work today. 1 second, I'm going to answer your question. Yeah, on 50K account, Flex, you need to have at least $150 minimum profit per day. And at this point, you can take payout up to 50% of total profit. And it's capped 3K per payout. Select Flex has no minimum account balance requirement for payouts. Just meet 5 winning days, and that's pretty much it. So basically, you need to have 5 winning days, at least on 50K account, $150 per day, and you will be good. No minimum balance requirement. So I would say no. No buffer. Just meet 5 profitable days rule. That's pretty much it. straight to funded account recommendation. I trade Tradify Latin funded since September or October. October, I guess. This will blow my account. I mean, of course, exactly as with different perfumes, other perfumes. Kills on hours, yeah, of course. Not sure if Michael is here, but if Michael is here, please help me with New York kill zone, because I always confuse with kill zone for futures. Because some people saying it's 8:30 to 11 a.m. I'm not sure about New York kill zone, to be honest. Which one is better? I don't know, but if Michael's going to be here, I will ask him about New York kill zone. You're very welcome. Once again, according to statistic, we have almost 60, I would say 58% chance, according to statistics, 6 months data, to retrace to New York midnight open on yes. 60% is a lot. So let's see if it's going to retrace to New York midnight open. $7.10, yeah. Thank you, because I saw some people using 8:30 to 11, and I was like, it's a bit confusion. Because I believe New York kill zone for Forex and futures is a bit different. I guess so. Let's ask Michael if he's going to join us today. So today is not really cold, so it's fine. Let me check news. We have news at 10. PMI is going to be tomorrow, Peter. Tomorrow, Peter. Peter. PMI is going to be tomorrow at 9:45, not today. Today we are going to, it says Thursday, 10 a.m. news. It's going to be core price index. They say it's red folder news, but we'll see. Yeah. Once again, I would like to see higher on gold, London high. I guess we have structure for this, but once again, risk reward not perfect. Let's see real quick about sweep, if we got this or not. If we got this or not. Yeah, we got this. Let's see if it's going to bounce to London high. Once again, I don't anticipate to get 2R based on this water block. Just gonna check it real quick for you guys. See? I just don't like risk reward. I guess it's not worth the risk. I risk 16 points to make 16 points. No, thank you. I cannot call this high probability. I will try to wait for London high, then I will try to short. NQ bias. No bias for NQ. I was trying to figure out the bias, guys, on NQ. I have no idea. Seriously, inside consolidation, I'm like, I don't know. Yeah, it's not worth it. It's fine. It's just going to wait. Once again, 60% chance to retrace to New York midnight open on a yes. If I use this tab for short, I will just quickly short ES and I will call this day with ES and NQ price action. I'm just not going to trade this anymore. Not worth it. But I will switch on gold. Let's see if it's going to present like textbook short on ES. I will try just for like 20 points. I don't need more. And that's it. I will just close indices chart. For gold, that's my plan. Yes. Yes. Okay. All right. I will share more statistics about New York Midnight Open, not today, but maybe I will record new video about this, and we will talk about statistic on New York Midnight Open. Which days we have high probability, which days we have like, let's say 50 or 80% chance to retrace to New York Midnight Open, which days we have less chance to retrace to New York Midnight Open, and I will add another confirmation what is going on between 3 and 7 a.m. when we have high chance to retrace to New York Midnight Open. With Lucid, you know, that's a great question, guys. Yesterday I was about to ask this on Twitter. What if, like serious question right now, what if I'm going to short gold, but at the same time on these accounts, I'm going to enter long on ES? Will it be okay or not? So that's my question. Will I break any rules or not? Because I had this question in my mind and I was like, I see long on yes, but I would like to short gold. Let me open short on gold on TradingView and I'm going to enter long on Lucid accounts. It's okay. Yeah, just to make sure if it's fine. Because one day I saw perfect setup, but I wasn't sure if I can do this. And for this, I just traded different accounts. Yeah, I'm not really sure if it's not correlated. That's why it was my question. Okay, guys, thank you for letting me know because it was my question. I was like, what if I'm going to do this? If I'm going to break any rules? I'm going to lose account because I didn't know about this. So yeah, guys, thank you for letting me know because it was my confusion. This means yes, you can long on NQ and short on gold. Answer is yes, but you know, I'm not super confident as well, so I'm not going to be the source who is going to tell you the right answer. Yeah, I know about ES and NQ, but my question was like, what about gold and ES, for example? Yeah, thank you guys. I will know this. Thank you so much. If somehow, guys, somehow, I'm going to be right about this, I'm going to be a market maker. I'm not saying I can be right, but if so, call me a Dasha market maker or Dasha queen of price action. I'm kidding, guys. It's just funny. Like, yeah, we're gonna see. I'm just kidding. Just waiting. Hello, hello. Yeah, market is about to open. If I'm going to run, I just call myself Dasha, not queen of price action. Well, let's set alert here. Time to focus, guys. Let's short before move up. No. Let's move up, then short. Because if it's going to drop, it's going to destroy my plan completely. So let's short after move up, please. Please. Let's check silver. Silver so far so good. Down and on. You know what, guys? If it's going to go down and then only up, it's going to be just scam because I will not be able to trade this. It's not going to be according to my plan. I would like to see the test of New York midnight open, to be honest. Right. Let's just pray for move up, down, then up again. Like, if it wants to go to the moon after dropping, after our short, who cares? I don't care. Just pump slightly higher, take London high, and we'll be good. Well, guys, I'm half queen of price action already. At least I can call myself like this. Or almost queen of price action. We have 60% chance to retrace to New York midnight open. Let's focus. Yeah, right. Okay, first plan play out. Let's wait for second portion of this. Please. Once again, no, I'm almost queen of price action, almost. I'm perfectly fine if it's going to go like a bit higher. I'm totally fine with this. I need this move up, then I will try to short. I'm just not sure how far we can pump, but it's fine. Don't want to get huge move up, but yeah. Yeah, risk reward wasn't perfect. It was like exactly 1 hour trade. I did 16 points to make 16 points before market open. Like, of course I could take this on evaluation, but let's focus, right? Right? No, not this one. I'm going to, I guess, delete 50%. Yeah, let's delete this completely. Now, let's focus right now. We need to get some wins. Okay, open, close, oops. Oh, not oops. So, yeah, that's right. So I held it RTH gap. So what I would like to see, I will try to short just retracement down on ES to New York midnight open because I don't really have bias today for indices. I mean, I'm trying to find the buys, but I don't really have it. What about news? We're going to have news at 10. So maybe we will try to short silver bullet on both gold and ES. Let's see if silver destroy plan. Didn't destroy plan yet. But once again, why I would like to see SMT simply as additional confirmation, you know? Interesting. Look at NQ. Where is New York Midnight Open? Where is New York Midnight Open? 1 second. Oh, okay. Let's hope to get in short on ES. Let me switch on micro ES here. Let's wait for structure, guys. If it's going to close below this level, we can give it first try to short. How big stop loss is going to be? Around 10 points. 10 points, 5 micros, $250 a risk. It's okay. $50K. I mean, you got a good luck, because if I'm going to full port, like 90% of the time, it's going to it's going to finish bad. Yeah, you like at this point. Let's hope to get in short. I will try with 5 micros. Need to get the closure. Guys, if you were looking for consistency rule calculator to save PNL, so once you enter PNL, you want to see it saved there, it's saving right now. So you can check this out again. It's going to save your entered PNL. Here is a calculator. Do you like vodka? I never ever tried in my life. So let's see if it's going to offer the closure below this level to try to short. Waiting for potential sweep on gold as well. If it's going to offer potential sweep, I will try to short to London low again. Bitcoin, yeah, let's do. Let's do this. 90K. Well, what do you think about Bitcoin to retrace back up to New York Midnight Open at 900? I mean, I'm not sure what level you have there, but like back to New York Midnight Open. Before continuation lower. I hope so. That's for Bitcoin. So between 900 and 90. Not quite sure, but that's what I see so far. I mean, yeah, it's streaming the chart. I'm not talking about big moves. I'm just trying to figure this out. $540. Well. I'm going to highlight liquidity level on SPX. Oh, it's Bitcoin. I'm like, what is going on? So no closure yet. To try something, it's fine. Just chilling, waiting. It's only like 9:40. Come on. I'm completely, guys, flat. I didn't take a single trade yet. A bit not in sync, not a bit, it's really not in sync right now. Look how bullish he is compared to NQ now. Well, I don't like anything just yet. I hope she gets silver bullet. Where's my height from charts? Oh, it's here, okay. Silver cannot break the high still. Gold, guys. Let's see. I'm not sure how far it can pump. It may be 60s. It can be like 60. I'm not sure. I don't really care, to be honest. I don't want to see huge pump here. But if it's going to have potential sweep, I might try to short. But prefer to get short during silver bullet. So what can happen now? We can slowly consolidate, pump again, potential sweep, 30-minute potential sweep, 3-minute OB, short down to London low again. Crazy weeks. It's not in sync with NQ right now. I'm just going to wait. Not fun of this for now. Let's just pray, guys, for a short to New York midnight opens and potential reaction. Hello, hello. I hope it's not going to be just straight down. We have 60% chance. Well, it's about to close below this level. 1 minute left. A bit more than 1 minute left. Would like to see a bit lower on SPX. Forty seconds left. Both above New York midnight open. Come on. Let's see if it's going to close below this level. Sorry, guys. I'm bullish as well. I would like to see New York midnight open and long from there. I would like to see long from discount. That's pretty much it. I'm not saying I'm bearish. I just would like to see lower. It can happen. It can offer something like this. I will be perfectly fine with this. I would like to see SPX going lower, a bit lower, to retest 25% of RTH gap, which is nice. You know what can happen here? Ideally, this one. We got really like small closure below this level. Gold. I like how New York midnight open lines up with 25%, between 20 and 50% of RTH gap. So basically this level is right inside this area. A bit choppy for me, but yeah. Okay, let's see if it's going to go down. Right now we got minor closure, but I do like this. And Q approaching New York midnight open, but once again, 60% chance to see New York midnight open on ES, plus it's in discount, plus it's inside this area between 20 and 50% of RTH gap on SPX. Okay, quite textbook here. Hard to trust initial analysis. Nice trap here. I don't know why I wasn't comfortable overall with this move. It's okay. Didn't hit New York midnight open still. Let me check gold. Gold doesn't look so bad. Let's see if I might try to short gold below 48.36. Oh, come on. No, guys, I'm not going to buy NQ until ES hits New York midnight open. Look at this PX. Well, guys, a real question for you. When we're going to hit 1,000 viewers? Seriously. When? 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 1,000 viewers. When it's going to happen? Now? Yeah, share the stream, guys. Let's do giveaways. Yeah, I'm going to look for short below 36, 48.36. It is not done yet, guys. I still would like to see lower. Sorry, guys. Look at the NQ. Perfect. Come on, baby. Don't fall. Perfect reaction from 50% of New Week opening gap. Plus, it wasn't able to close below New York midnight open on NQ. But yes, we'll hit this. You will see most of the time when NQ hits New York midnight open but ES fails, ES goes to this level. So technically, that's breakaway gap. Even if it's going to trace, it should offer opportunity. Guys, $700 away from passing this selector walls. We need to take a win. Let's pass this together. So let's see how big risk is going to be. 18 points. I will not make. Actually, with 1 mini, I will, but it's going to be $500 risk. Full port, no. If I'm going to full port, hello, blown account. Now, let's be smart. Checking silver, checking gold. Kind of internal order block, not fan of this. Hit the like, share the stream, guys. Internal order block is just low probability order block. So basically, internal order block forms after it failed to take buy side or sell side liquidity level. It creates a higher low or lower high, depends on direction, an order block right after this. So I call this internal order block. In my opinion, internal order block cannot be confirmation of change in order flow, as well as cannot be sign of smart money reversal. So that's why I'm saying, like, yeah, it's internal OB, but kind of from nowhere, you know. May try to short below 48.36 for 20 points. 20 points, 5 micros. Do I need more? No, of course not. Frank, Frank, I guess on your funded account you don't have consistency rule, so you will be good. But on evaluation, yes. So I like evaluations with consistency rule, especially for beginners, because actually you do need to full port, because if you go into full port, you need to make a lot to pass evaluation account. But it trains your discipline, you know. I like vals with consistency rule. What was the problem to the trace here? Just asking. Okay. Just kind of hard to trade continuation from discount, you know? %60 chance. Statistic doesn't lie, you know? So inside RTH gap between 25 and 50%, but ES did not hit New York midnight open. We need another leg down to take New York midnight open. I said at the beginning of Steam, I don't have bias for indices, but I'm looking for short only. Well, thank you for nothing. Let's switch on gold. Structure doesn't look so good yet. Check our chart. Not fan of internal order block right now. Anki traded NQ, good job. Where was your TP? Why you don't want to aim for New York midnight open? Like, real question. Why not New York midnight open? It's guaranteed target. Like, okay, never mind. You know, I know myself. I could be extremely greedy, and I would wait for New York midnight open or stop loss or break even. I don't know. I was like, it's New York midnight open or nothing. I would sit in this trade. I just know myself. I don't care about NQ. I do care about the yes only. Do we have something on gold now? We're still above 36, right? Okay. Keep waiting on gold. Let me check silver. I'm not going to trade silver because my task is to pass TradingView. Well, I broke up with NQ 6 months ago. Just FU NQ. Not going to come back to you anymore. Do you know why we're reversing here? Because I put my arrow here, of course. It's not because like it's just trying to scam us. That's because of my error. Sorry guys, I'm going to bring this lower. Now it's going to take this. So we got a break below 36 now on gold. One, two, three, four. Okay. Didn't get the closures yet. Guys, prepare. If it's going to drop right now, call me queen of price action. See? I told you. That's because of my error. Sorry, guys. Just simple. Trying to break 26. Stop loss around 12 points. Will not trade for 5 micros. We'll trade 3 micros, I guess. Good break below this level. Would like to look for closure short to aim for 15. 48.15. Just bad relationship with NQ. Sorry about this. Cannot trust this anymore. It's personal. Yeah, yes, hit New York, but not because of my error. Initial it was here, that's why we kind of stuck. Apologize for this. I moved lower. We're good now. Because of me, you buying TradingView? Of course. Let's go. My task to get live account, so I'm working hard on it, to be honest. Do you have better offer now? Only 40%. Oh, come on. Offer the closure. Nothing yet. Patience, guys. It's all about patience. Keep waiting for this break below 36. Doesn't look bad, but I have to be patient. Small fair value gap here. I don't use fair value gap, but I will be okay. Let's see if it's going to displace. What I don't like is this internal order block. Really not fan of this. Also, we didn't get the closure just yet. Have to wait for my plan to play out. In my perfect world, I would wait for, ideally, of course, it cannot, like everything can happen, but if it's going to displace, I may try to short. If I'm wrong, what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for break above these highs, potential sweep, trim until B. Like 2 plans. Because internal order block is just part of nothing. We didn't hit any higher from level. I would say nothing significant happened. So just nothing. And just failure swing, which offered OB. Trying to displace from this OB. OB fair value gap. So let me calculate risk once again. 10 points, $300. On this eval, If it will displace $300, I guess it's okay. Let's see if it's going to displace. Yeah, I'm not fun. I would try to wait for the swing high and better order block. But it is what it is. Going to wait. Guys, hit the like, more likes, more giveaways. Come on. Maybe I should try right now with just 3 micros on this evaluation account and then try again if I'm wrong. $360 risk from this entry. Sorry, guys. 20 seconds left. So first attempt, break below this 36 area, short. It's going to be first try. If it's going to break this 36 level, I will try to short. And let's say like something happened, it decided to play with us and stopped out. I'm going to wait for exactly same plan, but probably will wait for potential sweep after we breaking above higher high. So this point, same idea maybe. But with more obvious structure. Oh, not this one. This one. Because I'm okay to give it a first try. But let's see if it's going to offer displacement now below 26 to try. I will look with for short with 3 micros because risk around $300. Not perfect, but okay. Just okay. Waiting for displacement to try with 3 micros on this select evaluations. If it's going to displace, I will give it a try. If it fails, I will wait for exactly the same setup on exactly same account. I just can be a bit early and I'm fine with this. I will short break below, basically will wait for market structure shift. Oops. Let's see. Trying to be patient here. Displacement should offer speed. Displacement equals speed. To try, like, why not? Trying to displace. Risk reward around like 1.7 R. $350 risk. Looks good. Well, first try. First try here. If wrong, I will try my second plan. Trading only select evaluation accounts because I'm $700 away from passing accounts. So I'm not going to pass accounts because my target should be at 15.3. But at least will be close. So let's give it a try. First attempt. If wrong, I will try exactly the same accounts, but with this trade idea. So once again, only evaluation accounts, 4 evals. Not touching my funded. Just need to pass. Will not pass with this trade, but I will be close at least. We'll make somehow extra $100 later. Internal order block over here. This one. And this one. That's one internal OB. I put my stop loss there. That's pretty much reason. See guys, we got the closure below this level. So I see confirmation of entry. So or this opportunity I will try as well. I will like any opportunity. Not to R. I'm aiming for London loaded test. Not fan of this color. It's gonna change. Sorry guys. I just like how we swept London low, but we didn't get the break below this level, like it really break. We still kind of stuck inside fair value gap. So yeah. So I can call this like B plus setup maybe, but I feel like it's worth to try. If I'm wrong, I will just wait for this A plus, because in my opinion, it's going to be A plus. We're breaking above these highs here. Can you see this? Yeah. We're breaking above these highs here. Potential 30-minute SIP, 3-minute OB. This one is going to be better, like in terms of probabilities. This one like B plus, but once again, worth to try. Go long. What is your target on long? Seriously, what you want to aim for? The moon. 48.50. Oh yeah, I got it. I mean, what's the point to scalp? I will take full stop loss here and I will try again. You ever think price manipulate to retrace and not reverse? Of course. Yeah, guys, don't take it. I mean, I'm trying just because it was my original plan. I'm not forcing you to enter the trade as well. I will try again if it's going to offer this setup. That's pretty much it. I'm not fan of fair value gaps, as well as I'm not fan of 1-minute chart, so I don't use first presented fair value gap. That's pretty much it. But once again, it was a try. As I said before, I'm fine. I'm fine to take a loss to try again. It's all about to follow the plan. My idea was not this fair value gap, not this internal OB, but break below this level. Did it happen? Yes. Let's check yes. Look at the yes, guys. How perfect reaction from New York midnight open. Sorry, guys. So basically, I'm not risking a lot on these accounts, so it will give me room to try again. On instant account, no. No. We get the direction after Judas swing happened pre-market. Guys, once again, once again, guys, I'm going to tell you something. I never listen to anyone. I never watch any live streams. I just trusted my analysis. This is how I built my edge. If I'm going to listen to every single trader who is long when I'm shorting or who is shorting when I'm long, you will not find your edge. You will not be profitable. So better to trust your analysis. Even if you're wrong, you trust in your analysis and you execute your analysis. Losses happens. It's just part of the game. I don't really care about this. I'm happy I follow my plan. If I didn't follow my plan and just full port it or just chase the price, yes, I could care about this. But right now, I'm comfortable. Last win, I follow my plan. This plan was called before even this move up happened. I just want to follow this. It's all about this, guys. Never ever listen to anyone on the internet who's trying to give you any advices, especially financial advices. Backtest, forward test, learn from your mistakes, and this is how you will be profitable. You just need to understand, losses is just part of the game. This happens. It's impossible to avoid. And if this loss happened according to your plan, it's fine. If this happened because you did not follow your plan, you're not fine. Yeah, never listen to me as well. That's what I'm trying to say. Wrong side? I can be wrong, you can be wrong. We're just going to journal and see where we were wrong. Right? I hope you understand what I mean. Having an edge. You have strategies that you backtest, that you forward test. You know it works. You know what conditions you need to have for this strategy. You just trust your model. You need to keep in mind, yes, you know it's not going to work every single time, but you trust your model, you follow your rules, and you don't cheat on your model, right? If you go down, we go down together. Yeah, I hope it makes sense. Even if I'm wrong right now, I will try again. Here, which is perfectly fine. Sorry guys, a bit sick. Let's check ES. Look at ES, guys. Kind of stuck at New York midnight open right now, but what I see on NQ below this level already. If I will trade ES, I will trade on funded accounts, guys. Not fun how I entered and immediately went not in my favor, but it's good, guys. You know, it's better to sit in trade, not sit in bad trade. It just immediately, when it immediately stops you out, it's better, seriously. This means you were wrong, like you were wrong from the very beginning. But when you sit in this trade for 2 hours and it stops you out, it's painful. On Tradify, yes, you can trade all markets, but you cannot trade micro silver, unfortunately. This trade is basically almost 2 hours. It's fine for me. I'm down like 250 right now. Will be down if I'm going to stop me out 357. It's fine. This accounts 2 of these evaluations. I don't remember which one exactly. 50K, 2 of them 150K. I guess it's personal preference to execute on TradingView. I don't know why. I don't know how to explain this. I just feel like I like it more. And I guess it's just easier for me to focus on invalidations. It's easier to focus on price action when I don't see my entry on TradingView. Because on Intraday, I just execute. I don't have like any levels there. I just drew this for you guys. But when I have my executions on TradingView, I only focus on my trade. I cannot focus on price action. I cannot focus on validations. I'm just glued to my trade, and I don't care what is going on market, right? But when I don't see this, for example, like I don't see right now what is going on with my trade. I'm watching TradingView. I see, we just inverted the 3-minute fair value gap. We got reaction from 10 a.m. open. We got sweep plus 3-minute OB. Can I see invalidation right now? Yes. If it's going to stop me out, it's going to be bullish. Where we're going to go to break this high and probably even higher, around like 70 area. I hope it makes sense. My stop right now at the top of internal order block. Internal order block usually sign of low probability OB. But since we got break what I expected to get here on lower time frame, basically break of structure, market structure shift. I was okay to try. My only condition was, if it's going to close below 36, I will try. My entry at 36, as you can see. I mean, you can disassemble, but what's the point to execute on TradingView then? If you cannot see your execution, like what's the point then? I'm going to stick to NinjaTrader. Okay, guys, watching on QNES as well. A nice reaction from New York Midnight Open so far. I would say insane reaction from New York Midnight Open so far. I don't see shift in structure just yet. But if I will see setup, I will execute already unfunded. I don't use first presented fair value gap. No. I don't really use fair value gaps at all. I mean, I use only order blocks. Break of structure, market structure shift, liquidity levels. I can use fair value gap as height from level, you know, but as my entry point, almost never. Like almost never. Sometimes. Sometimes, yes, but almost never. It's a bit choppy. I would say it's a bit choppy overall right now. On 15-minute chart, nice reaction from 15-minute fair value gap, but my plan was once again at the test of London low again after we taken out London high. My plan will remain the same, I guess. I will just try again over here. You treat gaps as fair value gaps. Like what? Like new week opening gap? Or what? RTH gaps? I remember ICT explained about what's the name? Vacuum gap? Vacuum gap? Or how to call this? I don't remember. Gold has high buy volume. I mean, yeah, I see. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, he explained this on his core content month 4. I guess so. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter. I agree with you. On 3-minute chart, I see good potential long, to be honest, 270s, 48.70 on gold. But once again, my stop is invalidation of short for now. So it will be okay to confirm potential reaction up to 48.70, 75 once it breaks above this internal OB. Come on, gold, do something. I'm going to focus on other market right now. Look at the ES right now. Perfect reaction from 10 AM open. Well, guys, I stepped out of this trade for $360. I'm going to wait for another opportunity. I'm going to switch from this evaluations to funded now, and I will look for setup on ES. Let me switch. It's fine. It's fine. So let's see. It's trying to break this level now. Yeah, I would like to see pump toward like 48.70 now. Okay, let's see. I will wait for exactly the same opportunity. Okay, I'm going to switch right now from this evals to my funded. Switching. Let me disconnect right now evals. We'll look set up on ES. Micro ES. So we got break above 10 AM open on both ES and Q. We broke above New York midnight open again. Bye-bye, thank you. Guys, if you didn't see, I'm doing giveaway right now for Lucid Black accounts on my website. Looks good here. Let me check SPX. Nice here, okay. Nice reaction from 50% of this gap. Do we get, sorry guys, do we get 5-minute OB? Almost. 5-minute order block can confirm a reversal toward buy side liquidity level. Looking for a long above this level. I will aim for new high of the day. But already will trade my my funded accounts. Yeah, I closed the trade on. Yeah, I closed gold short. Short. Yeah, I closed it for $360 loss. I will look for another opportunity. Not in rush. It's fine. I guess my plan is going to be this one. How big stop loss? Let me calculate. Oh, why it's so big stop loss? Come on. Sweep, 3-minute OB, break above 10 MM. Looks good. Let me check SPX. Silver going just all the way up. $13 left on S. Let me open SPX on another screen. It's about to close. So 10:30 a.m. and you're still kind of struggling, trying to play with New York Midnight Open, while ES above this level. SPX looks good to go higher, to be honest. ES not really yet. So plan for ES now. This one. Let me delete this for now. I'm going to draw this a bit better. Maybe this. So I'm waiting for a 5-minute order block, which is going to be here, above my blue line. Dun dun dun. Yes, silver is bullish. Look at silver, just straight up. Look at gold, straight up as well. Let's see. I'm going to wait for probably this move. $57 taken, like some sort of liquidity level. I showed it from here, right? Yeah. Looks pretty bullish. I mean, I am perfectly fine. Maybe I was wrong, completely wrong with bias on gold today. This means I'm not queen of price action anymore. Previous day high level. Yeah, you know, maybe I was wrong with bias. It's fine, I guess. But at least, once again, follow rules. Let me delete for now. Lots of drawings on my chart. Okay, took screenshot anyway. We didn't get the closure yet, but I like it. I don't mind to see SPX go into buy side once we get confirmation on nothing yet. Would like to get 5-minute OB. We're about to get this. Yeah, something like that. So we got the closure. Let's see if it's going to retrace back to the open. I might try. Look at gold. Just straight up. But at least good sign immediately front. Going to 70. Okay. Short. Entered short. I want like 10.06. 10.06, I guess. I know. I don't remember. 10.03, 10.06. After this candle. We got a reaction from fair value. I entered. I don't remember what time it was. Yeah, we got. I'm not fan of trading continuations, to be honest. Okay, let's focus right now on giveaway for one moment. I'm doing today 250k Lucid Black account, guys. Here's the link if you would like to participate in giveaway. And participate. I will pick winners at 11, right at 11. Okay. So guys, Lucid Black, the main difference from other plans that Lucid have, it's 3 days payout frequency, so you can take payouts every 3 days, and you are not going to have daily loss limit, guys. So basically, you're going to have 60% consistency rule. This means you need to pass for 1 day. Payouts every 3 days. They say no buffer, but actually there is buffer. So it's something similar to Lucid Pro, but payouts are every 3 days. That's only the difference. And I'm not sure what they mean by no buffer, because you need to make 3,000 bucks on 50K account before requesting payout. So I guess that's my confusion. So guys, but what I like about Black is payouts every 3 days, because before this there was payouts every 5 days. So if you want to try this plan, Lucid Black, once again, consistency rule 60%, which just gives you like 2 days to pass, which is, by the way, nice. You don't need to full port 1 day, 2 days to pass. Pretty much that's all you need. And it's going to be 40% consistency rule on funded account. 40% off if you would like to try it Lucid Black. So they're running the sale until January 25 until Sunday. So if you would like to try it Lucid with 40% off Lucid Black, you can do this with current sale, because on other plans they have 30% off only. For Give account, yeah, let's go. I'm giving away right now 50K Lucid Black accounts to try a new plan if you want. Yeah, it's fine. To be honest, kind of like longs here. Nice reaction on 5-minute chart. $1.5R. Let's get even more, because I would like to see SPX going higher. Yeah, silver bullet long ideal scenario for me. What is DF again? DFG. What this means? Do you have hard stop? I mean, you mean what do you mean by hard stop? When I'm stopping this trade after taking like let's say 2 losses in a row or something like this? I never revenge a trade, so it's fine. I do have daily loss limit, but I never hit this. If I'm mistaken, I hit just once when I was trying to trade silver. But I didn't hit my daily loss limit. But yes, I do have on straight to 500 daily loss limit. If I'm not mistaken, it's around $3,700 on 150K account. If I'm not mistaken. So guys, 15 minutes to enter giveaway. Not to hit, yeah. I mean, I like daily loss limit because it really saves traders from blowing accounts. Let's say you made stupid mistake. You want to recover your loss, but you have bad year, so you hit your daily loss limit. That's it. You cannot trade today anymore. But tomorrow, with fresh mind, like relaxed, you're going to try again. Maybe you will recover this loss tomorrow, for example, right? I believe TradingView is going to add logout option soon. So we'll see, we'll see. Yeah, daily loss limit really helps, and really helps from blowing accounts. Yeah, TradingView is going to add this option soon. I'm not sure about percentage. I just know it's $3,700 on 150K account. So not sure about percentage. Yeah, I'm not fan of TradingView platform as well. Yeah, it's fine. Maybe it will trade still. Who knows? Let's pray for this. Yeah. You need to trader better at this point. Funded Next giving you 10% off right now if you want to try. This platform, Volumetrica, I guess I heard about this platform before. So I never tried. So yeah, for Funded Next features, I have 10% off. If you will use my code, you will get 10% off, because without code, I'm not sure if you have any deals now. Risk about on 150K. So it's really hard because you haven't traded drawdown. But personally, I risk $350. But yeah, guys, if you're looking for any discounts, you need use code LUMI to get a 10% off for Funded Next, 40% off for TradingView, 40% off for a Lucid Black plan, 80% off on Epics. Yeah. Funded Next, Rapid Challenge, and Lucid Black, I would say they're extremely similar. Extremely similar. So really hard to say which one is better. So let's see if it's going to retrace to 10 a.m. open. Okay, looks good. No, guys, one same trade I will show you, nothing to hide. So my plan is 5-minute OB, which we just got. Retracement down to the 10 a.m. open. We staying above this level, we try to long. So far I took just one trade, which was loss. Chris, you meant gold? It was my trade. If you just joined, guys, I took short and I stopped out. But I planned the short at since 9 a.m. So it's fine. Guys, I will announce winners in 10 minutes, but I'm going to tell you something. If I will see setup, which I mentioned before, like second option, like remember, like my plan B was if it's going to break highs, go to 70s, and it will offer setups that I mentioned before, which is 30-minute potential sweep, 3-minute OB, I will try. Just saying, if it's going to be off steam, I'm just trying to tell you that I will look for this setup as well. Consolidates to go high. Yeah. I agree at this point, you know. But I wouldn't mind to see the retracement to 10 a.m. open. At least an attempt to retrace to 10 a.m. open. We have minor SMT between ES and NQ. So let's see if it's going to just offer a bit more retracement. Guys, once again about giveaway. If you would like to participate in giveaway, you just joined, you would like to participate in giveaway, here's the link for giveaway. 250k Lucid Black accounts for today. My target will be, because I'm not on this trade, but my target will be, if it's going to retrace to 10 a.m. open, will stay above this level. I will try to long. I don't want to long right now, but I will try to long if it's going to retest and stay above this level, and I will aim for a new high of the day. I'm not in focus again, right? That's because of Mike, I guess. Yeah, guys, if you're new on my channel, I'm doing giveaways every single day. Every single day, you have a chance to win. Every single day. La 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 la. Yes. I will announce winners in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. You still have chance to fill the form if you want. Yeah, idea is, let's imagine it's going to go down now to 10 AM open. Even if it's going to sweep this level, but I don't want to see the closure below this level, I will try to long at 3-minute or 5-minute OB, and I will aim for new high of the day. Just trying to tell you my plan, guys, if I'm going to be off stream and this setup is going to happen, because I have no idea how much time it's going to consolidate. I will take this one, or on gold. If it's going to offer 30-minute sweep and 3-minute OB, I will try second short on Tradify select evaluations. So right now I was $700 away from passing. Right now I'm 1,000 something bucks away from passing. So at least you need to make $500, guys. And I will make another 500 maybe tomorrow. So let's see. Let's see how much. I hope I'm not going to be the person who blew a waltz right before passing them. I can. Hello, welcome. No full port. I mean, I have consistency rule. Technically, if I'm going to make 1,000, it will be okay for me, because it's just fine. Especially on 150k accounts. But I might trade just different contract size. We will see. Let's see if it's going to test and I'm open to try. Dun. Ideally, yes, please. Not just deleted messages. Guys, 2 more minutes to enter giveaway. 2 more minutes. Hello, everyone. I didn't trade. No. It's my trade idea. Let me move, because I drew this before the retracement happened. So I'm looking for this setup. Not this. This one. Guys, if you just joined what I'm watching right now, I'm watching 2 markets. For ES, I might consider long. I'm not saying it's going to be 100% long, but I will long if it's going to test 10 AM open and it will stay above this level. So basically, sweep of 10 AM open, I will try to long. If it's going to close below this level, just nothing. No thanks you. No thanks. For gold, if you just joined, I took short before I stopped out. If it's going to offer exactly same opportunity, 30-minute sweep plus 3-minute OB, I will try again. Yeah, we will see. If nothing, then nothing. It's perfectly fine. I will try tomorrow. Guys, 1 more minute to enter giveaway. 150 bucks. Oh, that's so painful. But I feel you. I don't have other work, but only trading. So guys, I will announce winners in 30 seconds, but before this, I would like to tell you something. You can enter just once. So this website is built to, so it should be fair giveaway. So you cannot enter twice or 3 times. You cannot play with this system. You cannot enter 18 times, 20 times like we already have here because I see this. You can enter just once. If you're going to enter twice or more, I'm not going to lie, we have one entry with one guy entered 18 times. You can enter just once, and if you're going to enter twice or just trying to play with system, you're going to disqualify it. If you're going to share on social media, it's going to give you extra entry. That's only one legal way to get 2 entries. If you understand what I mean. Well, guys, that's what I was trying to say. Oh, 1 second. 1 second. I forgot to connect my system. 1 second. I will announce winners in 1 moment. Giveaways. Okay. 2 winners, guys. If I called your name or sent your name in the chat, you need to say, hello, it's me. It's me. I'm here. Yes, I'm going to be on Tradify TV today. Here's our first winner. You won Lucid 50k Lucid Black account. You have 50 seconds to say, hey, I'm here. Hello. Yeah, I see you. Perfect. Thank you. We have first winner. Picking another winner. And here's our second winner. So all accounts that I gave away today, which was TradeZella, TradeZify, and Lucy, I'm going to send you by Friday. Do we have? I cannot read your name. Unfortunately, it's really hard to read your name, but are you in the chat? You have 40 more seconds, even less, to say, hey, it's me. I'm here. Let's wait. If you're not going to say I'm here, I'm going to just pick another winner. Ten more seconds, please. Don't do this last second. Well, sorry about this. And our second winner is... Are you in the chat? I see you. I see you won 50k Lucid Black account. Guys, all accounts, I will send you email by Friday. Maybe today. I will see if I have time. I will send all accounts by Friday. TradeZella winners, Tradify winners, and Lucid winners by Friday. So please, wait. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for following me, for likes, for support. Yeah, today is a day when we took a loss, which is just part of the game. You need to understand this. It happens. So we followed rules, we managed our risk, we did well. We will try again tomorrow. So let's keep following our rules and risk management, right? Thank you so much, guys. Love you. See you on Tradify TV at 1 p.m. I will stream PM session at 1 p.m. once again on Tradify TV. Or tomorrow, I'm going to stream on Ninja Trader TV. Ninja Trader Live at 10 a.m. If you want to watch me tomorrow, I will stream at 10 a.m. Silver Bullet on Ninja Trader Live. Guys, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. See you maybe later today. Bye guys. Love you.